Hello everybody, very warmest of welcomes. It's Simon at DM Keith Suzuki. I'm at the Ashton-under-Lyne branch again, filming OL6, and I've just got the keys to this. Now this is the new style Swift. It's the Motion, and it's finished in burning red, and if ever there was a day to see this colour, it's got to be today. It's immaculate, is this thing. Very fortunate to get this as a piece of stock. It's got less than 1,400 miles on it. Now Motion trim level is extraordinary. It has parking sensors, colour coded. It has a full colour rear parking camera as well, massive screen inside. The self-charging mild hybrid is able to deliver sort of 60 to the gallon. It doesn't do anything, you don't need to do anything at all. You just put your petrol in it and drive it off down the road. Self-charging, literally. Keyless access into the car. It has blind spot detection in the side mirrors, so if you're on the motorway and it's a bit foggy, murky, and maybe there's a car you're not sure if it's trying to overtake or not, it'll let you know. New style waterfall front grille with this clear panel here that has a lens, a beam going down the road looking on your behalf, just making sure you're not too close to cars. Over the windscreen there, that lens there is detecting things like traffic signs, so when you're going into 30s or 50s, it will display it in the centre of the binnacle between the dials for you. Inside, fantastic. I mean, it should be. It's done absolutely no work as this car. 1,388 miles. Front seats are heated. I mean, this is the entry-level model. I drive this exact model and I'm in awe of it. I'm getting 60 to the gallon out of mine already. If I just spin the camera around, you'll just notice that they freshened up the dashboard with a sort of broke it up a bit with more geometric, and then we're into a really cracking navigation system. Again, this is all preloaded up, folks. Colour reversing camera we've mentioned, obviously, and sensors. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are Wi-Fi enabled, so you don't need to plug your wires and stuff like that. And then beneath that, heater controls, and just beneath that there is tons and tons of connectivity. Other really nice touches, makes sense, things like automatic headlights, lane departure warning in case you're getting jaded, tired on a journey and maybe just moving across lanes without indication. It'll just give you a little tap and say, hey, maybe time to get a coffee in you. Start stop, because the outside is keyless, and so you don't need to dig your keys out on a cold morning, you can leave them in your pocket. But yeah, beautiful thing. This was registered late November 24, so this is going to have warranty automatically from the manufacturer right the way through to end of November 2027. Then you start servicing it properly through ourselves every year and triggering yourself another year of warranty each time with roadside assistance, on and on and on and on and on like that. And guys, you could do this until this car is 7 years old. So imagine this, end of November 2031 under warranty from the manufacturer. I don't bear thinking about it. It's a long way, isn't it? I'm going to put a link into the description box because I've got I think about half a dozen of these to do. It'll enable you to click on, select the different colours. There is silver, there is white, burning red, I believe there's some cool yellow, and there might be some grey ones coming through as well. So just keep an eye on the videos, and then the safe link you can click onto, it'll enable you to reserve a vehicle, request a test drive, value your current car, work out finance figures, everything all in a single mouse click. So that's probably the best way to go. But if you do want to come for a test drive, guys, politely on the day, bring your driving licence with you, make a note of your national insurance number. We need it so we can insure you while you're out. Have a fantastic day. Spring's here and it's starting to feel a lot better as a job. Drive safely as always, guys. Take care and all of the best.